Are you looking for a reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Alpharetta, Georgia? North Point Dumpsters is here to make your waste disposal effortless. We are committed to providing exceptional roll-off dumpster rental services tailored to the diverse needs of our Alpharetta, Georgia clients. Our mission is to streamline your waste management process, ensuring your projects run smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're handling a home renovation, overseeing a construction project, or organizing a community cleanup, our reliable roll-off dumpster rental service guarantees that your site remains clean and organized. We pride ourselves on prompt delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without any disruptions. Our team at North Point Dumpsters is dedicated to supporting your project with professional and efficient service. We offer flexible rental options and a variety of roll-off dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. Our emphasis on customer satisfaction means we work closely with you to provide effective and hassle-free waste management solutions. Choose North Point Dumpsters for your roll-off dumpster rental needs in Alpharetta, Georgia, and experience the quality and reliability that set us apart. For more information or to schedule your roll-off dumpster rental, call us at 470-983-1028 or visit www.northpointdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental, Alpharetta, GA. North Point Dumpsters, your trusted partner in efficient and reliable waste management.